Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice dispenser button in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, Phillips, and the flathead screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice dispenser button. The ice dispenser button is located in the center of the ice dispenser assembly. When pressed, it engages the switch behind it, turning on the auger motor. The main reason to replace the ice dispenser button is if it's broken and won't turn the auger motor on. To get the job done, we need to remove the whole dispenser assembly. I'm going to use the putty knife, and I'm going to start from the bottom carefully. Don't, get excited. Also, if you break one or two clips on the way, that's also okay. It has so many, and it's going to be functional again. This also could be taken away. All right, and it comes out. Turn it over. Now we're going to disconnect the plugs. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, let's place it on the table or any workable surface, and I'm going to take out these two screws, Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to remove this funnel, ice funnel. Lift this up and pull it out. It may give you a little fight. You would need to clear this pin by lifting it up. Sometimes it does, sometimes it's not. So next, I'm going to use this most powerful tools, and I'm going to release that spring. Next step would be removing this ice dispenser button. See, this side here is lower than this side. So it's done on purpose, so we can slide it out this way. I'm going to take the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to press it out and lift it up slightly. All right. Press it down. Then we're going to slide it to release this side. There you go. Don't lose the spring. Put it aside. This is the old ice dispenser button next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to install this new ice dispenser button in. So the button goes in first this side into this side of the cutout. Then I'm going to hold it from this hole, turn it over, and the rest we're going to manipulate from this side. Okay, I'll pull this through. Then I'm going to install the spring on this side. Goes in this like this. Continue with placing this side onto this hinge here. A little bit of enforcing it, but not too much. And here you can see this groove here. This side of that groove channel is lower than this side, so we're gonna lift it up here and push it in. And now we're gonna lock the spring. Under this pin here. I'm going to turn it over. And it works. Surprise, surprise. Now I'm going to install this funnel. Goes in like that. Alright, this side goes over this post here. And we're going to secure it with a couple of Phillips screws from the top. And now we're going to install it into the fridge. Alright, going to turn it over and we're going to connect these plugs. Turn it over, and I'm going to position it into the cutout. And press it in so it will lock. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.